Okay guys, I want to show you aftermarket install, how I did it. This is basically receiver for a radio frequency from the key, made in China. It's so aftermarket receiver, you have to first unplug this harness from original receiver, plug to aftermarket receiver, so it's gonna be plugged into serial. Then you have some antenna over here, and anyway, it's easy, simple. You don't have to go to mechanic. It's plug and go. I have to buy 2 batteries for a key. It's not supply, but anyway, how it work. Now I'm gonna unlock. I'm gonna lock. It's okay for the money. Alright, so this is my car. Originally beige interior. I swapped everything to black. Alcantara on a C-pillar. New headliner. Still in the project. Not finished yet. How do you like beige brown door with black seat and floor? Let me know. Alright, thank you, bye.